welcome everyone. Here is my presentation on the topic Internet and its services. Let's first discuss on the topic Internet. It is an interconnection of networks which allows computers on different kind of networks to interact with each other. It is the largest computer network spread all over the world, including the connection of millions of computers. It is network of networks. It shares a common mechanism for identifying computers. It is a common set of communication protocol for communication between two or more than two computers on the network. The first computer network was called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Uses of Internet. It is used for getting information, communicating with each other, accessing the data, playing games, etc. It is also very useful in various fields like education, science and technology, research. At this time of COVID-19 also, it plays a great role in the education sector and also in various other sectors. Now it's drawn for advantages and disadvantages of Internet. At first, here are some advantages. It is faster than other communication services. It is the source of knowledge. It is the most popular form of entertainment. It is massively used in social networking media, and the Internet tools can be for e-commerce services. Here are some disadvantages of Internet. Our important files and information can be easily taken by hackers. The unnecessary emails, advertisements may slow down system and create problems while working with computer. The malware or virus threat affects the system to a greater extent. More chances of social isolation problems. Now it's drawn for Internet services. Here are some services of Internet. Let's discuss them briefly. Downloading. It is the process of receiving information at our computer from another computer through a network. Uploading. It is the process of transferring the information from our computer to another computer through a network. Web chat. It is a system that allows users to communicate in real time using easily accessible web interfaces. Video conference. It is a set of interactive telecommunication technology which allows two or more locations to interact through the two-way video and audio transmission simultaneously. www World Wide Web is a collection of web resources and pages found on the network. Telnet Terminal Emulation Network is a network protocol used on the Internet or local area networks to provide a bidirectional interactive communications facility. Another one is News Groups. Is an internet-based online discussion forum where so many people can put their views and ideas on a particular area of interested topic. Electronic mail. Email is a digital message used for creating, sending, receiving and storing textual data in digital format over a network. Online banking. It is a system of internet banking which offers various services like cash deposits, transfer money, etc. E-commerce. It is known as the process of buying and selling goods or services through the Internet. Here are some Internet terminologies like as search engine. They are the websites that allow the users to search information based on keyword or combination of keywords. Web browser. It is a software that is used to access the Internet to view the web pages. Another one is domain name. It is the address where the Internet users can access your website. IP address. Internet protocol address is an identifying number for network hardware which helps to connect to a network. Thank you everyone. Hope you all enjoyed my presentation.